Hey guys, Michael Holman here with Curt's Clocks, the Atmos repair specialist. Just want to do a quick video to show you how you may be able to tell that you have a flat bellow without opening the drum or the case of the clock. Looking back here at this winding arbor, you see how the chain is sucked into the bellow drum so far? It's at like a 12 o'clock position. That tells me that that coil spring in the back is completely extended out, is about as far as it can go, which means that the bellow is flat. And normally what you should see is a lot of chain wound down here to either like a 6, 7, 8, or 9 position on this winding arbor. So you should see this chain wrapped down to here. And since we have that spring stretched up all the way there and that chain sucked all the way into the drum, that tells me that the bellow has gone flat without even opening it. So just a way you can kind of eyeball something through the side and get an idea without having to go and open it all up. All right, thank you. Take care. Please like, share, and subscribe, and make sure to subscribe because we're doing a giveaway, and there's another video showing you a nice little Swiss Army knife with Jaeger-LeCoultre logo on it, and we're giving that away at 1,500 subscribers. So make sure you get in on that, and you could be the winner. Take care. Bye-bye.